Downtown LA is known for its bustling traffic, street food, and of course the fashion district. I'm Sade Spence and we're at MNMCouture to find the perfect dress and fit for your next occasion. Let's go inside. This is actually a dress I wore to the American Music Awards, and honestly, I felt so confident talking to all the celebrities because it was comfortable and I felt beautiful. That's what they do here at MNMCouture. They make sure they find a dress that makes you feel comfortable and beautiful all at the same time. So let's go meet with Breezy, one of the stylists, to find the perfect dress for you. I'm so happy you could join us today. So who did you bring with you?
This is our lovely model, Kayla.
Awesome, so you'll be trying on some dresses for us. So first, tell me, what is the first thing we need to know when measuring yourself?
Okay, so the first thing you have to do is measure the waistline. And to measure the waistline, we're going to have her stand on her feet shoulder width apart. And you're going to measure about 2 inches above the belly button. So I have my handy dandy measuring. So we're going to go right here. And her belly button's about right here. I'm going to go about 2 inches above. She's about 28 and a half.
Okay. And then do we have to do the hips next? What follows?
Yes, so after we're going to do the hips, and the hips are going to be about the widest part of her body. So if you just look at her body, you'll see that her silhouette goes about right here. And if you're having a hard time finding the hips, you'll go with the meatiest part of your derriere.
Okay.
So we're going to take our measuring tape, and if you could put your arms up for me, right around here, along her hips. So she's about a 39 across the hips.
Okay, awesome. And I just have a question. Is it the same for men? How do they measure themselves?
So for men, it is different. So for men, their hips go a little more in. So you'll go 2 inches below the belly button, right along where the belt line is.
Okay, perfect. So Kayla's quite tall. She's got a nice shape. What do we look for to find a dress that really accentuates it?
Well, Kayla has beautiful broad shoulders, so we definitely want to give something that accentuates her shoulders and her beautiful hips. So we think this dress will be perfect for Kayla. It has a lovely exaggerated sleeve and an off-shoulder design that'll be perfect to draw attention to her beautiful shoulders. And it has a mermaid fit that'll draw attention to her lovely hips.
Oh, it's beautiful. Now let's go see you in it. Wow, Breezy, she looks amazing. I love this color on her.
So again, the exaggerated sleeve really shows off her shoulder, and then we have details right here that show off her waistline and her beautiful hips.
Thank you so much for joining me today and showing us a little bit of how to find the perfect fit for a dress.
Yeah.
Now, you know I can't leave without finding one for myself. If you're looking for something special to wear to your next event, head over to MNMCouture, where any stylist can help you find the perfect gown for your next occasion. Thanks for watching.